Hi there, I'm Fritz and I'll just take you into the kitchen a sec because I've gone and bought this little bad boy here, like it's a coffee maker, yeah. Because recently I've gone into I was doing the filter coffee for a little while, like, and it was getting a bit strong. It was just putting me in the loo for like 2 or 3 hours at a time, giving me the shits and stuff like that. But I do enjoy a nice morning cup of coffee and stuff. So I've tried this out and it's pretty good. So I'm going to go in again. I'm on a second one and made for a really, really nice afternoon coffee sort of thing, So bear with me, I'm going in. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is grind up our coffee beans. Just to get that extra flavour, extra fresh flavour. Let's stick the switch on the side there. Let me just put it down and off we go. Then next, we grab the ground coffee, put it into there, okay, put it in, grind it down. Okay, next we take the filter holder, attach it underneath, and set it up to where it needs to be. Take our cup, put it underneath, and press the button. Now, in the absence of actually owning a milk jug, I've gone for a small cup instead. So I'm just going to chuck that in there with the milk. Set a cup of milk, put it under the milk steamer, hit the button, and there we go. And into the bottom. Fair play, milk in. Looking pretty damn nice there, I'd say. Looking forward to tucking into this. And as is the way when you have a good afternoon coffee, it's obligatory to like you've orgasmed. Have a good one, folks.